Hi! Good morning! Have a wonderful and fruitful day. Let us thank the Lord for He is good and His love endures forever. Let me share to you today the words of wisdom. This is a divine wisdom from the book of Proverbs, because I believe with all my heart that a Proverbs a day keeps the fools away. So listen, my friend, and learn this powerful principle for life. It says in Proverbs chapter 4, verse 7, wisdom is the most valuable commodity. So, buy it. Revelation knowledge is what we need. So, invest in it. Yes. Wow. That is a word of wisdom. Wisdom is supreme. So the best things you can do in this life is to get wisdom. What is wisdom? Wisdom is an application of knowledge. And let me put this way. Knowledge is getting an information, and understanding is comprehension of information. But wisdom is an application of knowledge. So my friend, I encourage you to invest and buy wisdom. Because I believe this is a supreme and secret for success and prosperity. It will bring you honor and riches if you will embrace her. That is a lady wisdom. Again, have intimate relationship with divine wisdom from the Lord. So that's a reminder. I declare to you, God, shalom, shalom, peace to you and grace be multiplied to everyone. God bless you more.